Fanout is a fundamental step in every PCB design process. The OrCAD X fanout command allows you to make quick work of your fanout requirements. BGA or quadrant-based fanout can be done using the radial fanout settings. The direction can be set for an entire device or for selected pins. The line width of the fanout and the via can be driven from the physical constraint sets for different nets or a user-based override. Different fanouts can be applied without having to rip up the existing fanout first. Linear-based fanouts offers 3 configurable solutions, all of which are also constraint-driven with user guidance available in the form. If you want to apply the same fanout to the same packages in your design, use the search table to select all the matching components. Then select and apply the fanout to the entire selection set. Once fanout is applied, the fanout is associated to the component and moves with it throughout the design.